Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. Very important notification issued by CMA Institute just now for all the intermediate and final level students. So I was reading the notification so that I can understand it properly and then make you understand. It will save you a lot of time. The first important thing is mobile phones. जिसके ऊपर doubt है whether it can be used, it cannot be used. Mobile phones cannot be used to give the exams of inter and final. For foundation, we'll have to wait and watch. But it is for sure that mobile phones are not allowed to give intermediate and final online exams. The second thing is that the rough sheets that we are talking about, whether rough sheets will be allowed or not, in the center based online exams are online, whether center based or home based. So exam based center based online exams, rough sheets will be provided at the center itself, you don't have to carry. But for the home based online exams, institute has said in this notification itself that it will come up with a detailed procedure of home based online exams, and in that notification it will clear and clarify whether the rough sheets are allowed or not, and if allowed, how many rough sheets are allowed. Those will be clarified later on. As of now, it is clear that rough sheets for center based online exams will be allowed and will be provided to the students itself, you don't have to carry. But for the home based online exams, institute is yet to clarify. So mobile phones not allowed, center based rough sheet allowed, home based rough sheet may or may not be allowed. Later notification will come, detailed procedure will come. The third one is that you need to have either laptop, if you are selecting the home based online exam, either laptop or desktop along with the webcam, and any system failure, then institute is not going to be held responsible, and you should have a power backup also. For example, if the electricity is gone, then institute will not be responsible, you will be responsible. This notification says that. The fourth one is, yes, choices will be there. Two choices will be there, which means you can completely leave out two questions in each and every paper. And another important thing that it will contain both MCQs and descriptive type questions, and it will be having two complete choices. Okay. The breakup of MCQs and descriptive questions, exact breakup has not been given, but I have already made a video regarding the exact breakup that you can expect. Now, very important, 12th of November is the last date of selecting center based online exam or home based online exam or no exam, which means opt out. So these three choices have been given: center based online, home based online, and opt out. And if we opt out, exam fees will be carried forward to the next term. Okay. So let me just go through it very fast for you guys so that you guys don't have to take the pain. I'll be touching each and every point. The first point says that you can go to the nearest exam center online, which will be allocated to you if you select online based, or you can stay at your home and use laptop or desktop or tablet is also allowed. Okay, nothing much in it. So three options: center based, home based, both online, ya fir opt out. And the last date will be 12th of November. Mobile phones strictly not allowed. However, mobile phones can be used for the mock tests for practicing. In case of selection of center based online exam, blank sheet for rough work will be provided. And in case of home based exam, students will be given the detailed procedure at a later period of time. But this is for sure that candidate students must have PC or laptop or tablet with obviously internet connectivity and power backup. You can either have UPS or inverter to appear in online home based exam. Any technical failure like internet connectivity or problem with the PC or laptop or tablet will be the sole responsibility of the candidate. But I think CMA Institute should allow in such cases one more attempt, which it allowed earlier in the foundation online exams. Last date is 12th November. No request will be entertained thereafter. Again, I would request with my folded hand that Supreme Court had observed in case of CA exams that opt-out scheme should be remaining till the very last date. So with folded hand, because CMA Institute has done such great work, the office builders have done such great work. So these two or three things, if they add on, all the problems will be solved. What two or three things? For example, the opt-out scheme should be open till very last exam. Okay. And if a student has selected center based exam and that center based zone becomes contaminated, or it comes under a particular containment zone that we call, or if a student comes under containment zone or gets this COVID-19 positive, then he should be allowed to give exams at a later date. This is the second thing. Because if I have filled up center based exam, it's not my fault that my area is under containment zone or the exam center is coming under the containment zone. It's not, it's completely beyond my control. So I should be allowed to give exams at a later date, not later term, later date. Okay, so these 2 points, and the third point is little bit of extension because CMA final mock tests have not yet been released, so they are also under panic mode. So little bit of extension, little bit of extra time would be very good both for institute as well as students. So if these three requests are entertained, I'm sure CMA students will be wholeheartedly giving the exams. First one, as I have already said, this technical failure, the student should be given one more chance, and the second one is a little bit of time, and the third one is if a student tests positive or comes under containment zone, if he has selected the center based examination, then obviously he should be given other means, and the opt out scheme should be remaining till very last. Okay, so once you click this proceed to next step, you'll have to select whether you want home based exam, center based exam, opt out for the next exams. Let us select home based online exam. So please confirm you should be having laptop, desktop, tablet with webcam connectivity. Without webcam, you are not allowed. Uninterrupted internet supply should be there. Latest version of Chrome, that's okay, that's everybody has it. And power backup for laptop, desktop. Now, nothing to panic. Even if the electricity is gone, you should have kept your laptop pre-charged and continuously charged while giving the exams also, so that even after 1.5 hour, 2 hour, the electricity is gone in the worst case scenario. Normally it does not happen, but in the worst case scenario, if the electricity has to go and it has to go at that very moment, so your laptop was getting continuously charged for 2 hours, 1.5 hour. So for the remaining 1.5 hour, easily the power will be there in the laptop. And for the desktop, most of us must be having UPS or inverter. So power backup doesn't seem to be a very big issue. But technical glitch in the software, that can happen without the fault of the student also. So institute should really consider it. So if I select yes, I am having all these things, etc., then proceed to the next step. All these details are very simple to be given. You can give it. Okay. Say for example, let us go back and select the center based online exams. What does it say? Center based online exam. Then again, all these details will be given, examination city, etc., will be given, and at a later date, you will be allocated the center. And if you select opt out, then again opt out facility will be given. Same details you have to fill up in all the three. So my advice will be, those who are certain for home based online exam, they should fill up the form. But for center based online exam, or opt out between the two, if I am not having any of these resources to appear for home based online exam, then I will wait till maybe 11th or 12th of November what institute says, then I will be opting for center based or opt out. But for home based exam, you can fill up the form if you are having these resources. Okay, boys and girls, take care and keep on studying, and some good news coming your way from my side. The new playlists of all the revision videos will be updated by tomorrow, and thereafter will be uploading revision marathons of CMA Inter also. Okay, and foundation and final. So all the playlists will be given by tomorrow, and the marathons and the practice will start in this week itself, and thereafter we are also going to take the mock test of those students who have already applied for the test series. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. And if you have liked the efforts, do like, share, and subscribe. Share with the entire CMA fraternity, and I've made everything very clear, and I've given my opinion how to proceed, and I've given suggestions also to the institute what can be done more in a more better way and obviously they have done a fantastic job. But these 3 or 4 requests that I have made, if it is put into place, it will be awesome. Bye.